just is. We're not selling gadgets. We're not making. We're not engineers. We're not selling just pieces of plastic here. Like network marketing is the purest form of entrepreneurism, where people doesn't matter their gender, their race, the country they live in, their religion can come together and be humans, spiritual beings having a human experience through network marketing and celebrating life. There's no other business like this. I'll be
Yeah.
honest, I do own multiple
Own
businesses,
multiple
but
businesses,
nothing gives me
but
the joy
nothing
of
gives me the
this.
joy
Nothing gives
of
me the
this.
joy.
Nothing gives me the joy.
We're getting some
Yeah.
feedback.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So, we appreciate you guys. We know everybody, the world knows Filipinos lead with heart, they lead with emotion. So we love that about you. And we look forward to continue to build with you.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much, Jack. Yeah. Can we have one question at least?
Oh, absolutely. That's why I'm
Yeah.
here.
Yeah. Renee, what questions do you have there from your group? If there's something.
Okay.
Renee is one of our directors. Yeah. You
Hello,
acknowledge.
hello, Jack. Hello, Jack.
Hi. Yes.
Yeah. Actually, the main concern, no, there is this change in the commission, no, from $20, no, but it was explained already by Kiko. But we would like to hear it from your Birdie. We would like to hear it from you. At the same time, the glitches in encoding. The main concern of all the team now is the encoding, because everyone are excited. We are all excited to do this, and thank you for giving us the opportunity to be part of this history. No, thank you so much, Jack. No, but again, we are all excited, so we would like to know, when can we start encoding again without any glitches? Okay, so that is the main question now and concern.
Okay, let's start off with that question.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Yeah, no, I appreciate that. And this is our first time doing this. So I appreciate everyone's patience on this, meaning, I don't think, or it might be the first time in history of network marketing where something was free. So, we had a little bit of a glitch, no big deal. We just spread the commission out 2 weeks. Next week, we'll be able to start encoding again, which would be obviously probably Monday or Tuesday. But right now, most people are just putting orders in because they see the light, they see the vision, and they want to make 1,000 a week, 2,000 a week, 3,000 a week. Our highest income earner, she's at 100,000 a week, but everybody else can earn that right now. So you can put paid orders in literally right now. I encourage that. The more paid orders that we have as a campaign, as a global company right now, the more we can keep the free orders coming as well. It's just math. It just makes sense. So, some teams already see that. Hopefully your team sees that and says, wait a second, I just got something for free. I'm in a system for free. Now I just need to do my part, bring 2 people. If everybody on this call brings 2 people, you guys have a team of 1,000. Everybody on this team's probably making between 200 and 1,000 a week, like instantaneous. So keep that in mind, but I'll always be transparent. I'll always tell you guys where we're at as a company, where we're at as a community, because we're all in this together.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Okay. Thank you, Jack.
No, thank you. Thanks for your patience, guys. Again, this is the first time this has been done in history, to my knowledge. When you're a pioneer, you look back and you say to yourself, "Oh wow, remember when there was a glitch and Jack was telling us just be calm?" We'll laugh about those memories.
Yeah, definitely.
Chill.
Yeah, and
I have this one question or clarification rather.
go ahead.
Can I have another
Sure.
question with Jack? No.
Yes.
I noticed, last week, since everyone are very excited, and I am one of those so blessed to have a big or huge number of teammates, is there a possibility that you can override or you can be promoted? Say from director, you will jump from one rank within a week. Say from affiliates, you can be promoted from not director only, but rising star in 1 week, in one cut-off week, as long as
Well,
we can comply all the parameters or requirements? Is this possible?
no, you can only jump one rank per week.
All right.
And the reason, and the reason being obviously is because, again, we have to monitor their compensation plan and make sure it doesn't pay out too much, right? Binary plans, I'm sure it sounds like and feels like everybody on this call has a lot of experience,
All right.
and we've seen it. I mean, we're 21 years old, and that wasn't just by mistake. We
Mhm.
we watch everything, and we make sure that it's our responsibility to make sure everybody gets a check around the world every week. So we have to watch the payout, and we've seen binaries implode. So yeah, that's a strategic move. Once a week, once a rank. So
Wow. Thank you for
Yeah.
that clarification, Jack.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah, one more, Jack. But there's a question here about some orders were canceled during that week, last week. And of course, the cancellation affected the commission. So why is that so? Well, why are there some orders that were canceled?
I think you asked me about this last
Yeah.
night,
Yeah.
and it's Saturday here, so I still don't have an answer, and I'm not going to make up an answer. I'm the
Yeah.
type of guy that will find out the answer and tell you exactly why instead
Yeah,
of making up a story. So
Yeah.
let me find out that
All right.
let me find out that answer on Monday, and we'll have answers.
All right, thank you for that. Now, yeah, that's just some of the questions, but I believe others are just technical questions. Are there any other questions you think, Renee or anyone else who has questions that's
If if
not?
if I'm sorry to interrupt you, but if
Yeah,
anyone has any question, like, look, we're all human. We think of a question after the call or when we fall asleep, or just put it in this chat, and we'll get that question answered for you.
thank you so much. And we can also make use of the support, right? Like if you have questions, just throw a question in the support.
Yeah,
Yes,
that
and
too. And we're here to help. We're just going to continue to get better. Um, and we plan on doing this obviously for 90 days, but the more paid orders come in and the more people hit ranks and grow their groups with paid orders, the longer we can keep this going. So far, I want to keep this going for more than 90 days because we're affecting so many people in a positive way.
yeah.
So keep that in mind. We're the pioneers. We have to lead the way, and trust me, I think we'll all benefit greatly.
Yeah, and did I heard you right that we're targeting at least 1 million members within this 90?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Wow.
sir.
In 90
Yep.
days? 1 million
Yep.
members in 90 days. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Bring it
Wow.
on.
Yeah. Now listen, right now on this call, there's 273 of us. We're the pioneers of this. Trust me, you guys have done a great job so far. But we're making history. So take that excitement, take that energy of making history. And if all of us again sign up 2 people, paid members today on this call, that doubles our numbers. So let's just say 580 people brand new today. Again, you're all going to be reaping those benefits of that. And then you teach those people too. Everybody on this call knows what I mean. So let's just do it and continue to make history. The paid orders that you guys put in should all be doubling and quadrupling right now. So let's make it happen.
Yeah.
Right.
All right. Thank you, guys. I know I just asked 5 minutes from Jack, and thank you very, very much, Jack. I know you're very busy, and I like your
Yes,
background.
Kiko,
I feel-
sorry.
Yeah, go ahead, Arvin.
Hello, Jack. This is Arvin Legaspi, one of your director.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, Jack. No.
Yeah.
Put
Go
it
ahead,
on
Um,
camera, RPN.
Important question is, until when is the pre-liaison T?
The you broke up. One more time, please.
Yeah, until when are we going to give the pre-IASO T, and when it will change, the pre to AI tools for the new sign up?
I will have when I look at the data next week, I'll have that answered for you. I like
All right.
that question though. That's a great question.
Yeah, because we have a global network. I know that we have struggle to send all of the products internationally, and then some of the countries not accepting our product. No, so we're hoping to change our free product to AI tools. No, it's much be better. So with the company
No,
also.
Yeah.
Okay, I understand what you're saying. Yes, AI is available for that right now, and yes, that's the answer to global for all
Yeah.
of us. That's the answer for us globally for years to come.
That's right.
In October, we launch another AI package, and it'll blow your mind away. So we're just going to keep going.
Yeah. Yes, I think the question is, but you already answered. You still have to look at the data. The question is, when are we going to use AI as the
Exclusive.
as the package for these entries?
It's available right now, but I think he means exclusively AI.
Yeah.
I'll know the data next week.
All right. So we'll just
Yep.
wait for that.
Thank you very much, Jack.
No,
Thank
thank you guys. Let's continue to make this happen and have the
Yeah.
excitement going. You guys are our global connection. There's Filipinos all over, so let's let them all know.
Yeah.
Hello, Sir Jack. Can I ask one more if it is not too much?
Absolutely. No, absolutely.
Yeah.
Please.
Yeah. Thank you very much. This is also your director, Mark, from Philippines also.
Welcome.
Just for clarification, this is just to give attention because we witnessed the encoding is coming from our downlines, not coming from the upline. So can we do something with that? The sequence of encoding. We some of our downline in experiencing that their downlines is being upgraded before them.
Okay, I see what you're
So
saying on that. I understand what you're saying. Because the link went out there ahead of time.
Yeah.
If you could put some ID numbers in
Mhm.
the chat, I
Uh-huh.
can look that up. Does that make sense? So
Oh,
where
yeah.
that happened, if there's a couple ID numbers, send that to me, and then I can have the programmer follow it through the ID. Can you guys do that for me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're
Sure.
submitting ID numbers that has concerns of that, right?
Yes,
we will-
Sir Jack, because
Yeah.
these are leaders that we have right now, so they are asking with that. So the protocol of encoding, they are very serious with this program. We are
Yep.
supporting 100% the program. We are looking forward for this.
Yep, I understand, and I'll get some answers for you on that. I just need some ID numbers because programmers, they'll say, "Well, what ID number or what's the name?" So,
All right.
All right.
so I
Thank you very much. That's all for now. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
And
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, Jack, for the last clarification, so that all of the members here now will here now. Are we still giving all of the members the $20 each sign up?
Yes, as of now, right now, if anything changes, you guys will know Monday and Tuesday. And but it's 100% sure, for sure, if you have a paid rep that comes in, obviously you're going to get 50% of whatever they purchase. If they purchase a big package, small package, if they are paid, meaning they got their credit card in order because they saw the vision, then you're definitely getting that in your hyper wallet 110% for sure. The other thing to keep in mind, which a lot of teams have finally recognized, is that they could put in 2 people for free, and that pays for a person signing up with a credit card. So keep that in mind. More credit card orders, the longer this will last, and we'll hit the million, we'll hit the 2 million, and we'll never look back.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
No, thank
Yeah.
you, and we'll have more updates on Monday.
Yes.
Just
Thank
hope,
you.
Jack, Jack, we just hope that we can start encoding again by Monday, not Tuesday.
Yes, ma'am. I'm working on it. I'm going to go to the
All
office in a
right.
little while right now on Saturday and see what's going on.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. All right.
Okay,
Jack.
love you guys. We'll see you soon.
Yeah,
Okay,
thank
God
you.
bless.
Thank you,
Thank you so
Jack.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
very
you.
much, Jack.
God bless.
Thank you.
God bless you. All right, guys. So at least we've heard it from Jack, no? Yeah. So marami pang question, ano? Marami pang question dito, but others are very, of course, we would like to limit the questions yung sa question na only Jack can answer, no? May mga questions tayo dito siguro, ate, but let's start answering questions na lang muna. I think
Ano
dito
ba
yung
yung
mas
mga answer?
important, kaya
Ano ba yung mga answer dito?
lahat
Kung
ng
sobrang dami, generalize na lang natin, no?
lahat ng
Kasi,
kaya natin.
kasi pare-pareho naman yung naging concern. 'Di ba?
Yeah.
Pare-pareho yung naging concern. So, ito lang yung tandaan natin. Ano,
Yes.
nabulol tuloy ako.
Naman.
Kasi ang daming nahirapan doon sa ating link sa pag-encode, 'di ba? Kasi meron tayong transition. Noong una manual, pagkatapos na-send tayo ng link na galing kay Dave, and then meron na naman tayong another transition, the link that comes from the company. So parang doon tayo nagkaroon ng mga maraming glitches, no? Pero palagay ko naman maaayos na to, kaya sabi nga ni Jack, no? Kasi pinahold niya po for the information of everyone, pinahold po ni Jack yung ating encoding. Bakit po pinahold? Kasi para maka-cope up doon sa mga existing na naka-encode na. Si Dave po yung ating pinaka-upline. 13,000 sa kanya pa lang pumasok na, no? So para hindi magbuhol-buhol, pinahold muna yung encoding. Kaya kanina yun po yung tinanong ko. Kailan ulit tayo makaka-start ng encoding na hindi nawala ng glitches, no? Na pagka tinype mo, hindi ang lalabas doon ibang tao. So reminder lang po, no? Pagka gumawa tayo ng link natin, make sure na pagka magbibigay tayo doon sa ating prospect, pangalan nyo yung naando doon. Yun lang naman palagay ko ang pinaka-importante. By the way, yung mga nawalang mga points, nawala yung mga commission, babalik po iyon. Nagko-correct yan, no? Magko-correct lahat yan. Okay, meron pa dalawang nakataas ang kamay dito. Kasi kung susundan natin yung nasa Kuya Kiko, kung
Yes.
susundan natin yung nandun sa ang dami na yan hindi na natin masundan, no? So siguro okay, Mr. Jordan Fantilano, ay kanina pa si Chris Chris Gomez, no? Nine natin si Mr. Chris, and then after that si Jordan. Chris, would you like to unmute? And ayan, okay.
Good evening po. Actually, napindot lang po. Wala po ako questions.
Okay, sige. Okay, Chris, what about Jordan? Meron ka bang question o napindot din? Hello, Jordan.
Yeah, good morning, Power. Tawag niya.
Good morning.
Jordan from Gigas, we met before. Yeah. Yun, ang tanong ko, nabanggit ba ng CEO kung paano ba natin magamit yung TLC points sa back office natin? Or ano? Dapat yun yung isa sa tinanong eh.
TLC points. Anyway, yung mga ganyan po kasing tanong, we can always ask it una sa support po, ano? Actually, sa mga trainings, mga videos, meron sila noon. Kung papanoorin niyo po sa YouTube, meron yung TLC points, meron this, meron that. No? So, explore na lang natin. Pero Ate Rene, yun yung mga, actually, as leaders, tulad ng sinasabi ni Ate Rene, nandito po tayo, leaders tayo lahat. No? Lahat tayo naghahanap ng sagot to throw to the team. Yung TLC points, hindi ko pa rin kasi naaral, pero I believe meron doon.
Palagay ko doon sa commission, pwede kang bumili, no? Hindi ko nakita sa YouTube, pero ito yung understanding ko. Baka lang, no? Pwede kang bumili ng points para you can transfer or you can buy products. Or sana we can transfer sa Kasi may isang nagtanong na pwede bang yung income natin matransfer? Sabi namin, hindi namin alam. Actually, there's so many question po na tinatanong ko kay Kiko, pakitanong. Pero alam niyo po, after the first cut-off, ang daming nasagot na question na hindi kailangan itanong. Diba? Kasi makikita mo na eh. Diba?
Yeah.
Katulad nung mariretain ba yung points, yung mga diba yung mga gano'n. Ngayon lang tinanong ko si Jack and I am very glad doon sa sagot niya for the clarification that can you, diba, be promoted at para pwede mong i-bypass yung isang rank, no? And it is very clear yung sagot niya. Kasi gusto kong matanong yon para alam natin lahat. Well, we already achieved the rank of director. What would be next? So rising star tayo, di ba? Kuya Kram, rising star na tayo, di ba? So, yun. Mimi.
Yeah.
Alright. Nakataas ang kamay si Mimi. Alright, Mimi, you can unmute yourself and ask question.
Hello, good morning from Canada po.
Wow! Hello!
Canada. Let's go.
Yeah. May tanong lang po ako kasi nung nag-register ako, I skipped the credit card information portion. Paano ako makabalik po para makabalik ako, paano ako makabalik para to type it in again? Yep, opo.
I think,
Sige, Kuya Rico, go.
yeah, I think ano niyo po dito sa Smartship para makapag-ano ka na sa bakit mo gusto i-type again para do sa mga future orders mo?
Yeah, because I heard from CEO just this, sabi niya about credit card na sa mga future.
Yes. Pag magpe-purchase ka ulit kasi, hihingin kasi ulit yun eh. Pag magpe-purchase ka na ulit, hihingin niya ulit yung details mo kasi parang wala kang nakasave. So try purchasing again, tapos lalabas ulit yung credit card portion, tapos may tick box doon parang if you want to save it. So i-click mo lang yon, then para nakasave na yung information. Tapos kung gusto niyo rin po, which is highly suggested sa ating lahat, i-set up niyo po yung smart ship niyo. Smart ship ang tawag. Yung auto ship natin. Para hindi kayo darating yung time na parang time niyo na pala sa auto ship or yung for maintenance tapos nalampasan ka, no? Of course, we're here to make money, no? Yun yung tanong ng lahat eh. Babayad pala ako every month. Yes, kaya nga kailangan natin magtrabaho eh. Alright, so this is not a program na parang sign up ka, okay ka na. Wala ka lang gagawin. Okay, pero Mimi, that's one thing na nakita ko, no? When you try to purchase, lalabas ulit hihingin niya ulit yung information mo. Then may tick box doon, i-click mo na lang na parang save my details for future use, parang ganun.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so ikaw nang bahala ka sa Canada, ha?
I'll try my best. Thank you po.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, meron din pong tanong kasi dito, nawala daw yung komisyon. Okay.
Ako daw sa akin.
So yung commissions po kasi after cut-off, masisiro talaga yan. So,
Yeah.
kami rin, nung una, parang,
Saan punta commission?
Alright, so go back to your, to your back office. Meron dong under reports, nandun yung commission. And makikita nyo po yung previous, kasi hindi raw niya makita yung previous commissions niya. Kasi zero na lang probably, no? Pero pag kinlik nyo po yung commission report, nandun po lahat. Yung previous, syempre pag nag-cut off na kasi, isi-zero niya na yun kasi ang i-reflect niya na ngayon yung commission for this week. Yung current week. So, ma-zero talaga. Pero pag may laman yun, ma-happy kayo. Kasi may laman na ulit.
Kuya Kiko, may question dito si Kuya Dada, no? Ano po naging sagot ni Sir Jack sa tanong ni Coach Kiko na kung tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang $20 per recruit kahit free lang po? I think we need to clarify this, no? Kasi medyo kanina parang vague din yung sagot ni Jack.
Nasagot naman po yung $20. Una, sabi niya yung, di ba, naging 10 lang. So, ang sagot yan parang nagkaroon ng glitch. So, i-credit naman nila ulit another 10. So, pero hindi na nila mababalikan niya dati. So, magbibigay ulit sila. Magre-reflect ulit yun for the second time, another 10. So, parang ipipay out nila yung $20, tag 10 each.
So, ang gustong ma-clarify ni Dada is kung $20 pa din ang commission. Kasi walang binago sa Complan eh. And meron tayong may financial tayo eh, 'di ba? So siguro isang question
ang sabi ni Big Boss,
hanggang
mga
kailan
staff,
niya? Kasi
gusto ko ipamigay nyo
si Jack kanina na 90 days, no?
90
yung kanilang program or target ng 1 million members.
Million members in 90 days. No? So malinaw, nagbigay sila ng time frame. So hindi ito forever. Pero yun na, narinig din naman natin na I would want to continue this after 90 days.
Oo.
Okay, so but again, ang nakikita ko dito, we really have to bring in people. Which is I'll be talking to Val and Dave. This is what I'm really getting, guys, no? So at least very transparent tayo dito. From the reply that I get, they want us to get paid members.
Yes.
Okay. So paano yun? Kung Pilipino yung papapasukan natin, walang gusto mag-paid dito.
Mag-paid.
So what you're talking about here,
Mag-recruit tayo sa ibang bansa.
yes, you actually get paid members from different nationalities. Wag nating ibenta yung free membership o yung sponsored membership sa lahat kung kaya naman magbayad. Katulad na si Mimi from Canada, sabi niya, lalagay ko yung credit card ko because these people can afford. Kung meron kang mga kaibigan na foreigner, wag mo na i-alok. Actually, nagtry ako.
Naalok ko dun sa kaibigan ko sa Canada.
Okay naman. Moving forward lang, may mga naalok ako na foreigner, inisnab nila eh. I mean, alam niyo ba yung foreigner, pag sinabihan mo ng libre, ayaw nila lang. Masabi na ano yan, libre, totoo yan. So, and what is $60 for them, $59.95, no? Kumbaga, and they get their products. So yeah, so yun yung nakuha kong yung from that statement. So they also would like us to get paid members. Okay, so get the Filipinos for free and get paid members outside. Yun yung nakukuha ko. So para magdire-diretso. But again, may sponsors tayo. I think ang nito, the sponsors, yung sponsors natin, of course, they also would like to see money coming in. Kasi paglabas lang sila lalabas, wala mong pumapasok talaga. Alright, so yun yung nakikita ko rito. So that's going to be another strategy of ours. Is you need to have paid members. So tayo yung mag-start na magpapasok sa kanila. Ngayon, for paid membership, ang link na ginagamit dyan is your link na talaga. Hindi na yung ginagamit natin. Kasi in your back offices, makikita mo may link ka talaga doon. Shop, enrollment, yun ay ibibigay mo. Hindi itong pre-launch. Okay, but again, we will hear more about this. Sabi niya, pagdating niya sa office, he'll have to look at the data and we will hear more by next week. No? Pero for now, yun lang. Antayin lang natin. Monday or Tuesday yung sinabi nila para makapag-encode tayo. But again, we are one day advance. So yung Monday nila, Tuesday natin yun.
Tuesday nila, Wednesday natin.
So wag na sanang Tuesday nila. Kasi ang tagal.
Kaya nga sabi ko sana Monday.
Yun naman sabi niya, di ba? We will work on it. Alright guys,
may tanong lang dito. Some of the dashboard kasi walang TLC pay yung nila.
Yun na nga. So, for some reason, hindi ko yan masagot din nga. But siguro, if we can...
Ay, hindi masagot ni Jack yun no?
Right, support. Mukhang sa support yan. Kung bakit, no? Bakit walang TLC pay? Kasi yung sa atin naman, di ba, immediately nakita natin yan.
Yes,
so,
meron.
take note na lang. Tapos, pwede naman akong gumawa or kung sino man sa atin. Question na lang sa support.
Coach Kiko,
yeah.
Parang na-observe ko, yung mga walang TLC pay ay yun pa yung mga account na hindi pa upgraded.
Baka nga.
I just guess. Parang ganun kasi nangyari sa account.
Marami na upgraded Marami na upgraded. Pero wala pa rin. Ay, yung lahat ng na-encode itong week na to, mukhang lahat wala. Di ba, Aleli, yung ninyo, wala kayo, di ba, Aleli? Yung, si Aleli, unang yan di ba? Hello, wala. Aleli. Wala, di ba?
Wala. Opo, wala.
Kasi kami, yung first batch, kami ni Nakiko, meron agad Meron agad, kita agad.
Yes, tama, kita. Siguro nga, baka dala din ng glitch, kaya nagkaroon ng ganun.
Probably, hopefully, no? Kaya let us wait, no? Yun nga yung lagi sinasabi ko dun sa team, no? Ano yung tagline natin? Kalma, chill, relax, di ba? Kasi naman sila, very supportive. Imagine the CEO, di ba? Isang kalabit lang ni Kiko, dito na sa atin, di ba? I mean, pag nakakita ka ng CEO na ganito na very
This
Ah,
morning ko lang kinalabit yun. This morning.
Hindi,
Pagkagising.
tama yun. Kaya yung
tapos
request,
ano pa?
natin at least 5 minutes lang eh. Okay na tayo ron.
Pag nag-ano tayo, pag nag-thank you tayo, no. 'Di ba? Thank you, ibabalik niya. So he's very grateful, napaka-cool, 'di ba? Marami iba kasi CEO parang supladito, pero ito talagang, 'di ba? So
Yes.
let us just take let us be grateful and take advantage of this awesome opportunity. 'Di ba? Kung meron mga konti-konti, hindi naman mape-perfect 'yan, 'di ba? Okay lang 'yan. Antay-antayin lang natin, maayos natin ito. Ang hinihingi ng support. Lloyd, I would like to answer this question of Lloyd, no?
Sige.
Ito yung sa ano? Nasa na yung question ni
TLC pay.
Lloyd? Asan ka na? Asan ka na? Para for the sake of everyone, no? Lloyd, asan
Pinakadulo.
yung question mo? Ang hinihingi ng support, valid ID at saka TIN. Ito po, i-email kayo. Nangyari po sa akin yan, no? Yung unang-una, hyperwire yata yun, no? Kasi yun yung paraan para tayo bayaran, no? Kasi ano po yun, sa digital card po yun, yung parang ATM, kasi you can request for that. And that is available in the email. Doon po sa email yan, pinadadala. Pero ako, kinumpleto ko lahat yun eh, pero may bayad. Kung gusto niyo matanggap ito in few days, $50. Ngayon, kung 120 days, medyo mura lang, no? So, hindi ako nagbayad. And then, sabi ni Kiko, ay meron, yung i-link mo yung bank account mo. So sabi ko, saan? Kasi pareho po tayo nag-aaral dito, no? Sabi niya, dito, Ate Rene, click mo to, tapos nandyan yung transfer. At nakita ko nga, ililink nyo lang, yun yung pong TLC Pay na pinag-uusapan natin, hindi pa available sa inyong back office. Pero pag naging available ito, let's hope that it is really because of the glitches, no? Pag ito po naging available, all you have to do is to click it and then makikita nyo yung transfer. Doon po sa transfer, ililink nyo lang or ibabind nyo yung inyo pong mga bangko dito sa Pilipinas. Like BDO, halos lahat nandun eh. BDO, Metro Bank, BPI. Ang question ng marami, wala po akong bank account eh. Naku naman, di ba? Huwag na natin problema, mag-open po kayo ng inyong bank account, di ba? So, ganun po. Yun lang yung ano natin. And 139 pesos lang ang charge noon. And 1 to 2 days, darating na dito sa inyong bank account. Tapos may option doon, tinatanong, anong gusto nyo? Automatic ba na yung lahat ng income nyo automatic pupunta agad doon sa withdrawal? Meron pong option na no, kayo yung mag-decide kung kailan nyo ipapa-withdraw. Kaya siguro yung tanong na maraming tanong, magkano yung minimum withdrawals? Naku, hindi pa natin alam. Pero nasa inyo yan, kayo yung magde-decide kung magkano yung gusto nyong i-transfer. Mura lang po, under 39 ang ating charge. I hope na nasagot yon. No? Okay. Yeah, Casey, would you like to ask something? Nakataas ang kamay mo, unmute ka, yun, kuya.
Sobrang haba nung usapan, nakalimutan ko tuloy yung tatanong ko.
Si Mentor J muna ang ating tanungin. Habang iniisip mo at inaalala. Kuya Casey, ha? Okay, alala mo na.
Kakasimula lang natin, guys. Kakasimula lang natin, parang pero minsan yung natin yung mga advanced thinking natin parang sometimes annoying kasi parang kakasimula lang natin, di pa tayo nag-ano, para puro pakabig na yung natin, yung inisip na natin, paano pa ito mabibidro? Paano mawala? Puro ganun. Nakakahilo. Bakit sa kaloob? Guys, work muna tayo. Bigyan natin ng one month. 1 month, guys. 1 month.
Natuwa ko siya, Casey.
Ang hihiramin yung sasakyan mo.
Okay, si Mentor J, you can ask your question. Baka tungkol sa withdrawal din yan. Nayari ka na ni Kuya Casey.
Good evening po. Good evening po to everybody. Tanong ko lang po, Ma'am Rene. Hindi naman po regarding sa withdrawal, hindi po doon. Kasi understandable naman po na merong process po talaga yan. Tanong ko lang po, kasi yung nakita ko po doon sa GC na pwedeng pwede mong ma-open or pwede mong i-update yung details mo using that link. Pero ang lumilitaw po doon is invalid yung aking phone, so hindi ko siya ma-update. Bakit po kaya ganun?
Okay, yung phone mo, titingnan mo, kasi pag in-update mo, kung may 0, tanggalin mo yung 0. And ito yung nangyayari, pag tinanggal mo yung 0, nagbabago yung country. So, ibabalik mo lang doon sa country. Pag naibalik mo na sa country, natanggal mo yung 0, hindi na mag-i-invalid yung iyong phone number.
Ganun pa rin po yung lumabas eh.
Ay, ganun?
Ginawa ko na po. Opo, ganun, ginawa ko na po yun, tinanggal ko yung 0, nilagay ko yung Philippines, pero wala pa rin po, ganun pa rin.
Okay.
Para.
Sige, sige kuya.
Sige. Go ahead.
Tinatanong niya ate, baka dito yung phone. Parang hindi tinatanggap yung dito.
Yung dito number, hindi po tinatanggap.
Ano ba yung
Yes.
number mo?
Dito po yung dito kasi yung una kong na-register. So, try ko pong ilagay
Try
yung
lang.
globe.
Try iba.
Yeah, no, same lang
Try
po.
ko yung globe. Para
Same
at
lang,
least,
kahit anong number po, sorry.
Yes, po.
Same lang po siya. Kaso nga lang, I think part pa rin siya ng glitch kasi may iba-ibang SIM number na hindi rin tinatanggap.
Ganun.
O kasi
Marami po
parang
sa team.
dito, bago lang eh. No? Parang bago lang.
Yeah,
So,
ito eh.
Mm-mm.
Or, yeah. Yan na lang natin. Take note na
And
lang.
then one more thing. Di po ba hindi lalagyan yung yung sa credit card, hindi siya ipagbabypass po siya, di ba? And then also po, meron na po ba, just in case ma-update po yung account ko, gagawin ko po yan as soon as possible na ma-update yung account ko. Just in case ma-update po yun, so makaka-access na po ba sa dashboard?
Yes, definitely. Absolutely. Yeah, absolutely.
Apo, dire-diretso yun. Once na-update natin, diretso na po yun. Pasok na sa dashboard.
Okay po. Kasi I'm planning to work on it po full-time. Hindi naman po full-time kasi may trabaho rin po ako. I am a live streamer po kasi. So, pwede ko naman po isabay and at the same time, may mga kinakausap na rin po ako na mga host ko para to help them para magkaroon din sila ng ganitong business aside dun sa nagla-live stream kasi live streaming mostly puyat. So, nagkakaroon na po kami ng discussion regarding dito. Hapyaw lang, hindi pwedeng bagitin yung pangalan ng company, basta hinahapyawan ko na sila na, meron ako i-offer sa inyo magandang pagkakitaan. Wala kayong gagastusin. So, gaganon po kasimple yun. And then, may mga na-collect na ako na nagbigay na sa akin ng mga details ng So, kaya inaaral ko pong mabuti yung pasikot-sikot nitong inano ko na rin po yung mga videos dun sa YouTube kasi para at least pag may itinanong po sa akin, alam ko kung ano yung sasagot ko. So, yun lang po yung pinaka-main concern ko. Pero, meron na po kasi akong na-encode, kaya gusto kong maka-access doon sa dashboard. May na-encode na rin po ako. Na-stop nga lang po dahil nga po, nagkalituhan na. Nang kinlik ko yung link na binigay sa akin nang nag-invite sa akin, yung pangalan ni Sir, yung lumabas doon. Sabi ko, hindi yata tama yung link kasi kahit palitan mo yung ID number, doon pa rin nare-redirect pa rin doon sa account ni Sir. So sabi ko,
okay. Mentor Jay, it was already discussed, no? Kasi nga may glitch. So let us just wait until Monday or Tuesday para maayos yung glitches and then we can start encoding again. Okay? Para mabigyan natin ng time yung iba na nagtatanong kasi na po tayo, 5 minutes to 10, no?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you very much po.
You're most welcome. Meron lang gusto kong basahin dito, natawa ako.
Thank you po, ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome,
Sabi
Mentor
ni Coach Alan.
Tanong din po sana ako.
Ano ba yung sinabi ni Coach Alan dito? Libre na nga, ayaw niyo pang sumunod sa proseso. Nasaan ba yun?
Di ba?
Ma'am.
Apa.
Ako po si Ronelio, taga Brunei. Nasa Brunei ako ngayon.
Uy, Brunei. Wow.
Nagaling ko lang ng Brunei, sir. Saan sa Brunei?
Banda, si Ribigawan po. Ako po ay driver dito. Bali, ako po ay kay Arnold, Akad na ang tanong ko lang, ko lang naman po, yung sa kapatid ko kasi nagka-problema rin doon sa phone. Ngayon pala yung kapatid ko parang naglagay sa group ng mga ng details niya na encode ni Arnold, ni Sir Arnold. Tapos hindi naman ko agad naalaman na encode, na nagpatulong din ako sa isang upline ko na encode din. Naging 3 yung ano ng kapatid ko, naging 3 yung ano number niya, yung ID number. Ay sabi nung si Sir Arnold, hindi daw naman madidelete. Naging 3 tuloy yung ano, yung ID number ng kapatid ko, yung ni Risa Kasuga.
Wow.
Paano kaya? Hindi mo wala daw delete. Kaya hindi ko
Kasi po, everything is editable except for the sponsor ID at saka yung position. Everything is editable, no? Pwede nyo nga palitan yung username ninyo, no? Except also for the name. Diba? Kasi po yung ID number, kasi po meron talagang iba, no? We are 260 pa rin tayo dito, no? Pero sana po maging responsable tayo. Merong iba encode lang ng encode, no? Encode lang ng encode nang hindi na tinatanong yung tao na ako may mga nakausap ako ang sinasabi sa ay in-encode na ako ni ganito, hindi ko nga alam eh. But I know Arnold, napaka-responsable po ni Arnold, no? I know him, siya yung nasa Alcobar, di ba? Responsable siya. So, hindi yan mag-encode nang hindi sinasabi sa kanya. Actually, sinabi sa
doble nga lang. Nga lang, tinatanong ko lang po kung pwede ma-delete pa yun din
Kasi nasa system na po yan. So we will find out na lang po kasi matitrace din naman po yan ang system. Ano? Makita na, lalo sa delivery, makita ko 3 pangalan, parehas, iba-ibang ID na.
Saka ano din lang, yung anong araw lang, nung 31 lang lahat. Sige po, yun lang po ang tanong ko. Kasi
hintayin lang po natin yung sagot ng probably, definitely, ang system mag-a-adjust yan.
Okay sir, salamat sir. Thank you.
Welcome po. Ingat po kayo dyan sa Brunei.
Salamat po.
Yan. Yan po tayo mga katanungan, mga kaibigan, mga kapatid. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.
Coach Kiko, may message ko dyan ako. Pakibasa na. Yung ano kasi about dun sa couple, meron pa lang rules. Yan sa 17. Pakibasa po. Yes. Kasi sumunod din ako sa iyo. Baga, napamember ko din kasi yung marami dito, napamember din yung mga asawa nila. Biglang meron ng downline. Parang hindi yata pwede na magkapatong sila.
Pero anak.
yung anak po pwede, asawa lang naman. Pakibasa po, andyan po, yung number 17.
Sige po, basahin ko lang. Sabi rito, if a married couple should maintain one IBO position between them, so isa lang. However, if both spouses of a married couple desire to each maintain their own IBO position, then they both must be sponsored by the same sponsor. They cannot sponsor each other or be sponsored by anyone other than the original sponsor. If a married couple each have their own IBO position, then they are each separately required to meet any requirements or qualifications of their respective IBO position. So in short, kailangan ang sponsor ng mag-asawa hindi each other. Kunyari sponsor ko si Mark, yung wife niya dapat ako rin ang sponsor. Hindi pwedeng si Mark.
Narinig mo yan, Mark? Ha?
Tama, klaro.
Loud and clear.
Ako rin, hindi ko alam yun kasi tira lang ako ng tira nun. So, ngayon ko lang nalaman.
Tama naman, pare-parehas po tayo.
Maaral tayo pare-pareho.
Yan, sinendan downline ko po yan kasi mahilig sa dokumento talaga. Lahat talaga.
Yan, ang tinatawag na hindi nagbabasa.
Correct. Pare-parehas po tayo dyan.
Pero
yung binabasa ko yung compensation plan eh.
Pero po, siguro po learning po sa atin lahat yan dahil nakita na nga po ng isang downline natin, no. Siguro iwasan na po natin ipamember yung mga asawa natin. Bawal do kasi patungan yung asawa. I mean bawal magkapatong, dapat magkahiwalay. Di ba, Krab?
Malinaw na yun. Ano yun?
Talaga, Arvin.
Question lang po.
Wala asawa.
Sige po, may nagtatanong.
Paano po yung like for example, yung mga na-encode na yung asawa and then nilagyan na ng lalagyan ng mga leaders na ano pong mangyayari po?
Matay tayo dyan.
Yes. One of my concern, syempre ako, winworkout ko yung misis ko, nakadirect po sa akin, hindi ko po kasi talaga alam. So ano pong solusyon natin dyan?
Yeah. Ano na lang natin?
Discuss that to Jack. Kasi nga, kung hindi alam, di ba?
Oo nga.
Yes po.
Pwedeng gawin is palitan lang ng sponsor. Ayan,
Okay.
hiwalayan na. Sabi ni Kuya Edgy, hiwalayan na ang asawa.
Yes. Kasi
Papalitan po ka sponsor?
Yun talaga, Kuya Edgy. Hiwalayan na ang asawa.
Ginawa ko nung nalaman ko yan kanina. Talaga in-stop ko na rin yung paglagay ng tao sa thesis ko dahil baka mamaya biglang i-terminate yung account. Sayang naman.
Yes.
So ako,
Kaya
ang itrabahuhin nyo yung sarili nyong account na.
Sige.
Ganun naman natin. Kasi baka mamaya biglang decision nila, terminate yung sa asawa nyo. O wala tayong makakamul talaga. It's their policy. Policy nila yan eh. Hindi lang tayo may mali. Sa totoo lang, tayo ang may mali. Nasa policy nila yan. Hindi natin nabasa.
Yeah. Tama yan.
Ignorance is not an excuse, di ba? Ignorance is not an excuse for the punishment of the law.
May susulita po. Sige po. Anyway, i-clarify ko rin yan.
Edgar, nakataas ang kamay kanina pa, no?
Practical naman siguro na magkaroon ng na palitan na lang natin yung sponsor ng asawa if ever pinipiyay.
Kasi kung hindi po kasi editable yung sponsor eh. Kaya baka kailangan i-email ito, i-consulta natin.
Yes,
Kasi
yes.
yun po yung palagi namin sinasabi, no? Everything is editable except for the sponsor's ID and placement. Even your username, you can edit it, no? Pero yung pong yung sponsor ID at saka yung placement, hindi po siya na-edit. So yung mga isolated cases na ganito, baka ang pwede is really ipaalam sa taas. Kung ang solusyon is magpalit ng sponsor, ilalagay din doon sa sponsor noong naunang asawa, 'di ba? Kasi kung nauna yung wife or kung nauna yung husband, kung sino yung sponsor nung nauna, hindi na ililipat. Pero sila po ang makakagawa nun, hindi tayo. Okay? So hindi rin po namin masasagot dito. Hindi na rin namin masasagot dito. Okay. Edgar, do you have any questions?
Yes. Yes po. Yes po. Ano po, hindi naman question siya, kundi additional info lang po.
Sige po.
Doon regarding po sa account na na-info, o na doble o na triple po. Meron po doon sa nung nag-edit po tayo, after nung edit, yung 2 page po doon, may sinasabi po doon, pag hindi ka nag-maintain, after 12 months, aalisin na po yung account. I-remove po yung account.
12 months hindi ka mag-maintain, hindi ka interesado sa negosyo mo.
Opo, meron po siyang 12 months na nakalagay doon. Pag hindi siya nakapag-maintain, sabi po doon ay i-delete po yung account.
Sa baka doon lang po sa yung dynamic compression. No? Saan mo nakita yan,
Tapos po, doon po sa ma'am, pag-open po dati nung nag-edit po tayo ng information, tapos may lumabas po doon na 2 page na nakalagay po doon, mababasa mo doon. Pag hindi siya nakapag-maintain in 12 months, i-remove siya.
Actually, very generous po yun, no? Very generous yung na yun. 12 months. Pag 12 months na hindi ka nag-maintain, hindi ka talaga interesado sa negosyo. No?
So, parang idea po.
Dapat nga
parang idea po.
Oo.
Parang idea, halimbawa po, halimbawa po, nagkamali po ako ng pag-encode. Pag hindi ko na-encode kasi meron pa akong isang kasama. Akala ko tama yung encoding niya. Iba yung pangalan, iba yung lumabas kasi sa cellphone siya na nag-encode.
So, tinanong ko yung pangalan niya kung sino. Sabi ko, iba yung apelyido. Tama yung pangalan, iba apelyido.
Hindi rin
So,
na-edit ang
since
pangalan
hindi-
eh. Actually, hindi rin
Since
na-edit
hindi
ang
po na-
pangalan.
Since hindi po namin alam yung anong gagawin doon, nag-register na lang siya. Ulit.
Yeah.
Yung tamang name niya. Total naman, kung hindi niya i-maintenance magkaroon ng maintenance yung previous name, matatanggal naman talaga siya.
Yeah, medyo matagal lang. 12
At
months.
saka remember po, no? Kaya kailangan mag-ingat tayo. May financier po tayo. May nagbabayad ng account natin. Di ba? Binabayaran tayo ng company ng
Tapos,
So, baka pwede.
dagdag ko lang po sa 2-page pa rin po na lumabas after nung edit nung information. Ang sabi po doon, walang kita doon sa recruiting. Walang kita po daw doon sa recruiting. Kaya mapapansin niyo po yung presentation po nila doon sa plan po nila is magbebenta ka.
Okay.
Kung mapapansin niyo po yung magbebenta ka, tapos makakuha ka ng mga downline mo.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ang sabi doon, walang kita doon sa recruiting.
Edgar, okay.
Ang merong kita pag nagpupus ka ng product. Yun lang po yung, nabasa ko lang po dun sa hindi po akin.
Yeah.
Nabasa ko lang po yun sa 2-page na lumabas after editing. So
Sige.
ano po yun?
May
Yun na lang
sagot
po
po
yung
tayo
tanong.
dyan.
Ano po yun nakalagay ko?
May sagot po si Ate Rene dyan. Ate Rene.
Edgar, yung pong sa atin, bumili tayo ng product.
Thank you.
Mute ko muna ito. Mute ko muna, no? Okay, Edgar, ganito, no? And for the sake of everyone, this is how I understand this. Hindi po kasi tayo pumasok ng libre. Hindi lang tayo basta ni-recruit ni Dave. Meron pong nagbayad sa atin. May financial sa atin. So, ni-recruit tayo, pero bumili tayo ng product, except hindi tayo yung nagbayad. May nagbayad sa atin. Kaya may commission tayo eh. Ano po tayo? Actually, pumapasok sa namin yung commission.
Yeah.
Kaya na po at kititan. Naintindihan ko na po.
Okay? So,
Tsaka po, pumapalo
Tsaka-
po sa binary. Opo, pumapalo naman sa binary. Kita-kita po. Nagre-reflect. Yes, nagre-reflect po yung 10% na pairing. Kaya tama po yung kay Tita Rene.
Maraming salamat po.
okay. Alright, so it's already 10:05.
Okay na po ako, tita. Okay na
Yes,
po ako.
Tito, hanggang anong oras
Thank you
tayo?
po.
Hanggang 10 lang
Sa
tayo.
akin ganito no? If you have any question, go back to the person who invited you. Kung yung
Okay
po. Nakapag-guide sa inyo, hindi alam ang sagot, akyat ng isa. No? Kasi hindi namin masasagot lahat. Ang maraming question.
Sige po. Thank you po. Thank you po sa inyo lahat. Anyway,
thank you
guys,
po.
it's Saturday night. So tomorrow, maaga yung iba dito dahil nag-church.
Sunday worship
Sunday
tayo.
po. So guys, maraming salamat and let's look forward po dun sa mga developments na mangyayari. For the meantime, ganun din po, just list down the names of your prospects. So since hindi pa tayo pagpa-encode, it's just a matter of, hi, hello, I have this opportunity. Can I get your name muna? At least po, naka-touch base kagad tayo. Kasi pag sabi na, wala mo na akong gagawin habang wala. Sige, may iba nang kumakausap doon sa prospects mo. Alright, so ano lang tayo, touch base lang po muna tayo. And once the link is already available, then let's start sending links again. Pero tomorrow,
Thank you po.
so maraming salamat po, Ate Rene.
Thank you very much. Bye.
Lahat ng dito po. God bless po ha. Sunday po tomorrow. Let's make sure we bring back the glory to God.
Amen.
Magsipa po tayo ha.
Hey, Coach Chico, pa-send na lang ng recorded video natin.
Okay bro, recording to, send ko ulit sa inyo after.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bye everyone. Good night.
Salamat, Ma'am Rene.
Recording stop.